Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of iconic landmarks. Start at the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled. Wander through the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient politics. Marvel at the Pantheon's perfect dome. Then toss a coin into the Trevi fountain for luck. Climb the Spanish Steps, stroll Piazza Navona, and don't miss Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Every corner of Rome whispers history, art, and timeless charm.
Standing tall in the heart of Rome, the Colosseum is a breathtaking monument to ancient engineering and imperial spectacle. Completed in 80 AD under Emperor Titus, this massive amphitheater could seat over 50,000 spectators, who gathered to witness gladiator battles, wild animal hunts, and dramatic reenactments of famous battles. Its elliptical design and tiered seating offered unmatched visibility, while the underground hypogeum housed cages, trapdoors, and complex machinery that brought the arena to life. Built from travertine and concrete, the Colosseum was a marvel of Roman innovation, with retractable awnings to shield spectators from the sun. Though scarred by earthquakes and centuries of stone looting, it remains a powerful symbol of Rome's grandeur and resilience. Today, walking through its arches and corridors is like stepping back in time, a visceral reminder of the glory, brutality, and spectacle that defined the Roman Empire.
Welcome to the heart of ancient Rome, the Roman Forum. Nestled between the Palatine and Capitoline hills, this sprawling archaeological site was once the bustling center of Roman public life. Imagine senators debating laws, merchants selling goods, and citizens gathering for festivals and trials. Built as early as the 8th century BC, the Forum evolved over centuries, showcasing grand temples like the Temple of Saturn and iconic structures like the Arch of Septimius Severus and the Curia Julia. It was the stage for triumphal processions, political speeches, and even gladiatorial combat. Though now in ruins, the Forum whispers stories of Rome's rise and glory. Walking through it today is like stepping into a living museum, a timeless reminder of the empire that shaped Western civilization. Step into the timeless grandeur of the Pantheon, one of Rome's most iconic and best-preserved ancient monuments. Originally built by Agrippa in 27 BC and rebuilt by Emperor Hadrian around 120 AD, the Pantheon was a temple dedicated to all Roman gods. Its massive dome, still the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome, features a central oculus that floods the interior with natural light, a symbol of divine connection. Over the centuries, the Pantheon transformed from pagan temple to Christian church, now known as the Basilica of St. Mary and the Martyrs. Inside, you'll find the tombs of Italian kings and the legendary artist Raphael. With its perfect symmetry and awe-inspiring architecture, the Pantheon stands as a testament to Roman engineering and spiritual legacy, a must-see for anyone exploring the Eternal City. Welcome to Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state and the spiritual heart of Catholicism. Nestled within Rome, this walled enclave spans just 44 hectares, yet holds immense historical and religious significance. Established in 1929 by the Lateran Treaty, Vatican City is the residence of the Pope and the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. Its crown jewel is St. Peter's Basilica, built over the tomb of St. Peter, one of Jesus' apostles. Inside, you'll find masterpieces like Michelangelo's Pieta and the awe-inspiring dome. Just steps away lies the Sistine Chapel, famous for Michelangelo's ceiling frescoes and the site of papal conclaves. Beyond its sacred spaces, Vatican City is a treasure trove of art, history, and architecture, a place where faith and culture converge in breathtaking harmony. Welcome to Piazza Navona, one of Rome's most enchanting squares, where history and Baroque beauty collide. Built on the site of the ancient Stadium of Domitian from 85 AD, its elongated shape still mirrors the original Roman arena. Over time, it transformed into a vibrant public space, and by the 17th century, it became a showcase of Baroque architecture. At its heart lies Bernini's masterpiece, the Fountain of the Four Rivers, symbolizing the Nile, Ganges, Danube, and Rio de la Plata, flanked by St. Agnes and Agon and two other ornate fountains. The piazza buzzes with street artists, musicians, and open-air cafes. It's more than a square. It's a living stage of Roman life, echoing centuries of art, faith, and festivity. Whether day or night, Piazza Navona is pure Roman magic. Welcome to the Spanish Steps, one of Rome's most iconic and romantic landmarks. Built between 1723 and 1725, this elegant staircase of 135 steps connects Piazza di Spagna at the base with the Trinita dei Monti church above. Designed by Francesco de Sanctis, the steps were commissioned under the patronage of the Bourbon kings of France, linking the Spanish embassy below with the church above. At the foot of the stairs lies the charming Fontana della Barcaccia, sculpted by Pietro Bernini. Over the centuries, the Spanish Steps have become a magnet for artists, poets, and fashion lovers, surrounded by high-end boutiques and buzzing with street life. Whether you're climbing to catch a sunset or simply soaking in the atmosphere, this Baroque masterpiece is a must-see in the Eternal City. Rising majestically along the banks of the Tiber River, Castel Sant'Angelo is one of Rome's most fascinating landmarks. Originally built in 139 AD as Emperor Hadrian's mausoleum, this towering structure has worn many hats, from imperial tomb to fortress, papal residence, and even a prison. Its name, Castle of the Holy Angel, comes from a legendary vision of the Archangel Michael sheathing his sword atop the castle, signaling the end of a plague in 590 AD. Connected to the Vatican by the fortified Passetto di Borgo, it served as a refuge for popes during times of siege. Today, it's a museum filled with Renaissance frescoes, ancient weapons, and panoramic views of Rome from its rooftop terrace. Castel Sant'Angelo is more than stone and history. It's a symbol of Rome's resilience and transformation through the ages. Hidden within the lush gardens of Villa Borghese lies one of Rome's greatest artistic treasures, the Borghese Gallery. Originally built in the early 1600s as a luxurious villa for Cardinal Scipione Borghese, nephew of Pope Paul V, this elegant palace was designed to showcase his vast private art collection. Today, it's a world-renowned museum, home to masterpieces by Caravaggio, Raphael, Titian, and the breathtaking sculptures of Gian Lorenzo Bernini, including the dynamic Apollo and Daphne and the Rape of Proserpina. Each room is a masterpiece in itself, adorned with frescoed ceilings and ornate details that echo the grandeur of the Baroque era. With its intimate setting and unparalleled collection, the Borghese Gallery offers a deeply personal journey through the golden age of Italian art, a must-see for any lover of beauty and history.